Hi guys, in today's video, I'm gonna do a birthday haul from when we went to the mall, Five Below, which was not at the mall, and TJ Maxx and Home Goods. Well, actually we didn't get anything at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. We went to some other stores that did not have any Squish, but Five Below did, but I didn't get any because there wasn't any that I didn't like. But we're gonna start doing this. So we went to a different town from where we live today for my birthday.
Vernon Hills.
Yes, Vernon Hills. It was pretty much a blast. And one of the stores at the mall, I don't know what it was called. I might. They had a whole lot of Squishmallows, for real. Like, they had so many. And like some Christmas and stuff. And I'm gonna show you some. This is Cinnamon. I'll read her tag. Her tag says Cinnamon and her best friend Carmelita are like two peas in a pod, but sweeter. You can usually find them in the writing lab working on news stories or at the mall. They love to window shop. If you see them out and about, they'll be sure to give you a big hug. Yeah, so cute. And I have Carmelita, which is why I got her. And then I got a violet. It's a little flower. That's her squad for Cinnamon. I'm gonna read Violet, and her tag says that Violet is the bright spirited queen of the sea who has a passion for adventure and exploration. She also joined Kai on his quest for sunken treasure and uses her degree in technology to identify where the treasure originated. And I got some Christmas 5-inches. This is Dawn, this is Ruby. Now I'll read the tag. Dawn is a tomboy who is always up for camping adventure. She is fluent in all animal languages and loves to teach her friends all about the different animals who live in the forest. She hopes to be a park ranger one day. Dolly Rubies. Ruby always enjoys long walks on the ice with her occasional hot cocoa beverage. Ruby is the North Pole's Christmas coordinator. She plans all of the reindeer events leading up to the grand finale on Christmas Day. So, yeah. And then we got some clips. One of the clips that I got was Eczema, the mango. Another one. Redemption. Her tag. I don't think so. I keep forgetting, but that's okay. Okay. Yeah, this is Eczema. It's got like a sparkly leaf. And here's her squad. And I'm going to read her bio. Scrapbooking is how Eczema loves to spend her time. She loves to celebrate her family by creating beautiful books for each of them. Last week she started one for her twins and one of her favorite days ever. Do you want to scrapbook with Eczema? Sure. sounds fun. And then we got Sinclair. And there's his squad. And his tag says, Sinclair and his cousin Austin love to talk about outer space, but they always disagree on whether aliens exist. Austin thinks they do, but Sinclair needs more proof. He wants to join Austin on a space adventure to find out. Are you ready for liftoff? No. No. And then we got Glenna the eggplant. And she's got the same squad as Eczema. And her tag is, Glenna is a water baby and loves all kinds of water activities, whether it's scuba diving, snorkeling, surfing. You can always find them near the beach. Currently, Glenna is working hard on saving up to buy their first sailboat. Sailing lessons, here we come. So that's the one store. And then we went to Dave and Buster's. They had one there. And the prices. Okay, and sorry about that. Here, oh my, I got a Slinky. There's a heart one, and it's really stretchy. Look at all that. And I got a unicorn hand puppet. Here's the turn. And wait, I'm gonna get some scissors real quick. Wait, hold on. She has something to say. What do you have to say? You ready, unicorn? Okay. Please like and subscribe. Yeah. That was horrible. But also got some other stuff in Dave & Buster's. I got this ball that wants to blow up. It's like a 16-inch ball. Kind of smells good. And I got 2 Neatos, purple and blue. And I'm gonna open them up. I might just tear into it. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. I love a good Neato. And they also had pink and orange too. But I chose blue and purple. Pretty fun. Really good. Oh, and they also had some of the Squishmallow tins. Yeah. I'm gonna open it. Got the plastic off. and I got Stacy. Here she is. She's got little tentacles. Super cute. The tag is massive. Oh, squish. Squish, squish. And I got the pin. And I got the cards. So I'm gonna open up those. You get 3 packs of cards. And I'm gonna open them all up. And this is series 1. This is a new puzzle piece. I don't have this one. I got a holographic card. I got Heather. I don't know if you can read it. I'll put it a little bit closer. Let it focus. But she's part of the wildlife squad. And then we got Sabrina, the unicorn cat. And she's okay. And I can't read the back of the cards, I'll just show them. And then we got Stacy, which is funny because I got the Stacy Flipamallow. Oh, and Sabrina's the fantasy squad, and she's the sea life squad for Stacy. And you can pause to read. Carl the burger. He's part of the food squad. Then we got Tex. And then there's the back of his card. And then we got Davina. And here's the back of the card. And then we got Raya, the Yeti. They got new puzzle piece. Hold up. Wait, hold on. Here we go. A new puzzle piece. That's nice. And we got a holograph of Chip. Very shiny. And then we got Brina. She's my favorite Squishmallow. And then we got Charity, which for some reason is a little baby card. Like, there's a size difference. And then we got Tank. Then we got Scarlet. I'm just realized I'm not saying the squads anymore. Sorry. And then we got Dexter. Oh, oops. And then we got Avery. Pretty darn cute. And then we got one more pack. These are kind of hard to open. We got the same puzzle piece. That's okay. I already have a holographic bag. But these are my first duplicates out of all of these cards, so that's pretty good. And we got Sam. And we got Tina. We got Simon. This is one that I got today. That's pretty cool. I already read our tag, so we don't really have to see it. Oh, I think I got another Carl. I just got one. Yeah. And I got a Bernie. And we got Connor. And that's it for the trading cards. So we only got 3 duplicates. That's pretty good. Like, so I'll just put all the cards back in there. I'll put the duplicates at the top. And I'm gonna put Stacy in there because she deserves it. There she is back in her cage. And then we went to Flipamallow and I got some stuff from there. I got 2 things. I got this dimple spinner, rose gold. I might need some scissors. It's a pretty good pop, but it's also kind of hard. And it's got like a little design on there. It's like a little flower. And I also got some ramen monkey noodles. Bundy stretchy, wiggly rainbow. Twist, twirl, and stretch. That's what it says. That's my mom. Oh my. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh my. This is a lot. Pretty good amount though. Like, I don't have never tried ramen. I don't have any ramen themed fidgets of anything or squishmallows.
Oh my.
It's like hair almost, like you could put that like on a doll.
Oh yeah.
My mom is also checking it out. If that's what you were hearing. And we got some, and we went to Party City and we got some Squishmallow, which they're kind of expensive. They were like $12.78. And snip. Got break in there. And I think there might be a fly in the room. We got little baby Felipe. Beep, beep, beep. And then we got this like pinky unicorn. I'm gonna put her clothes back on. And I don't know how to put this on. Really, like that. I guess. And yeah, oh, unicorn. And that's not. I got some stuff that I got this morning for my birthday when I first woke up.
Like what? Want me to get ready?
Yeah. Someone's gotta get one done for me. And one that I've been wanting. Oh, oops. Wait, hold on, let me try that again. No. I got Ronnie Flip, the Walmart. Flipamallow. They were just okay. That's why I kinda. And then I'm gonna flip it. It's gonna be kind of hard though to do it into Rosie. And the other side is Rosie. The first side is Ronnie. Oh my. And the only reason I really wanted Ronnie is not because I really liked his color and stuff. He's also sisters with Elena. Boom, Rosie! Yay! Okay. when you blew up my ball?
Dad did, not I.
Yeah.
Or do you want to do
You
it?
can sit right there.
Do it later.
Yeah. But they kind of get lumpy when you flip it. But that's okay. Here. And then I got a Tristan, a little tail. There's his tag. And I'll read his tag. Want to get in shape? Schedule a session with Tristan. Amazing personal trainer. He's training for a bodybuilding competition right now, and after that, a marathon. Yeah, so he's a fit guy. Very squishy. And then next, we got Maui, the pineapple. So soft. Well, like a Squishmallow, but he's like very soft. Got the needle, boop, 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 the little leaves. And then I'll read his tag. Oh, he's all by himself. He shines by himself. Skateboards and scuba diving are two scary things Maui is determined to conquer her fear of. She already checked roller coasters and rollerblading off her list. Maui doesn't like to be scared, so she tries to conquer her fears by trying new things. Can Maui help you overcome one of your fears? I actually never thought this Maui was a girl. Like, I thought it was a boy. And, like, the one that had the bow was a girl. But turns out that's different. Oh, oops. Sorry. And then the grand finale. We got the Walmart Bigfoot Cabaret. Gorgeous. Okay. It's another version of Cabaret, which I have like the Five Below one. I choose a 14-inch. There's her squad. The only one that I want from the squad is Bubba. But I'll read her tag. Meet Catherine. She keeps the freshly picked flowers in almost every room and loves taking a morning stroll through her garden to see the latest flowers. You'll find her rocking her favorite bright blue broad-brimmed hat and matching gardening gloves. I love her so much. When I first saw her like on the internet, I didn't like her, but now that I got her for my birthday, I love her. And then my dad blew up the ball that I got from Dave & Buster's, like a huge rainbow ball, like. And that's all I got. Oh, and also, I got this necklace for my birthday. It's a real diamond. And that's all. Bye.